Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen. I want to thank everybody who's taking the time to hit that subscribe button. We just passed 700. We're closing in on 1,000 very, very quickly. So if you're new to the channel, you like learning about crypto, you like the stock market, you like to make money, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and cut the notifications on. And we're going to get into the video. Now today, of course, we're going to talk about Crypto.com, VVS finance, and the crypto market as a whole, because the crypto market as a whole has been pulling back. So I know if you're holding some Crypto.com right now, you might be looking at your account or your plays and like, wow, it's coming down. But understand, you're not alone in this play. Understand that the crypto market as a whole, even the stock market, and the stock market, I would like to argue, is getting abused even more than the crypto market right now, or the prices are dropping a bit faster, obviously depending on what plays you're on. But in comparison to some of the growth stocks in the stock market, those are coming down really, really quickly. And cryptocurrency is still kind of lagging behind a little bit, but it's coming down. But understand this, right? Even though some of these prices are dropping in the crypto market, if you look around you in the world and look around what's going on in regards to inflation, if you look around into gas prices, food prices, even the money in your wallet is not going as farther no more. The money in your bank account when you buy stuff is not going as far anymore. It's losing value. You know, just because you're not looking at a chart and seeing it go down doesn't mean it's not happening. It's not increasing in value, even if you look at it from this perspective. If you look at it from the gas prices from last year during the lockdowns of the pandemic, it was much, much cheaper. Now, if you look at it, it's much more expensive. Supply and demand is going crazy in the real world. Supply chain shortages. It's hard to get a lot of food, a lot of devices. Hard to get PS5s. Like, a lot of stuff is going on right now in the world. And then when you see the crypto market pull back, it's like, wow, well, if you invested in the good cryptocurrency, it's like, if you can see it long term, you can see that it could have more value and the price can go up. You know, it can go up. So with that being said, we're looking at Crypto.com right now. And as you can see, we're in a downtrend. That's what I want to start off with. It is currently in a downtrend right now. Right now, you're looking at lower lows. As you can see right here, it dropped. It went lower. It tried to consolidate. It tried to bounce. And then it went lower again. So with that being said, it can go lower. You know what I'm saying? But understand, when it comes to the cryptocurrency market, when it gets lower, that's when you want to buy. You don't want to buy when it's high and chase it and get clapped when it comes down. You want to buy when it was back down here. So if we can get closer down in this range, you know, that's a good opportunity for a dip buy. Now, in my honest opinion, you know, the lowest that I could honestly possibly see it going, it would be about the 23-cent range. Now, I do not believe that it will go down that low, per se, because I do think that it can form a level of support before it hits there, but it does have levels to break before it even goes there. So if it breaks below about the 50-cent range right here, the 50-cent range, I like to see it hold there. If it doesn't hold there, then at around the 40-cent range, you want to see if it hold up right there. Those are my key dip buying levels right there for us. But I'm gonna show you other cryptocurrencies that are very popular to give you some comparison of what's going on right now. If you look at Cardano 88, right? This is a cryptocurrency that I have and that I like. You can see that earlier in the year, this was at $3. This thing has pulled back nearly 50%, over 50%. Honestly, it's at $1.57 right now. $1.57 Cardano 88. This is one of them. This is a top 10 cryptocurrency, if I'm not mistaken. This is, let me go to my coinmarketcap.com. It's number 6. As you can see, everything in the market is coming down. Bitcoin was at 58,000 earlier in the week, trying to push towards 60. I said if we can get back in the 60s, that'd be bullish. If we get around the 40s, if it goes back down below 50s, that'd be a bearish sign. Ethereum is back at 42. Is that like 45, 46, 47 earlier in the week? Solana's dropping, Cardano's dropping, XRP, Dogecoin's at 20 cents, Shiba INU. Let's look at the Shiba INU chart. You know, let's look at the Shiba INU chart as well, so we can get a idea of what's going on. That thing is getting absolutely destroyed. But hey, you know what I'm saying? It is a meme coin. I do think that it could possibly go higher. You know, hold on, let me not go to this one. Let's go to Coinbase. It could possibly go higher after a while, but it has had a major pullback. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and sugarcoat it. This thing has pulled back drastically. You know, the lowest support I see for this level where it initially broke out would be at around you know, 0.000013 right here. when it broke and it started its run. It's already came down to my first dip buying opportunity right here at about 36, 37 cents. I thought this was a prime dip buying opportunity. As you can see, it hit this level off of this line right here. You can look at it right here. It bounced off this line right here, went up. It looked like it wants to come down. If it breaks below there, then a bigger dip buying opportunity if you like Shiba INU. Now, I know this is a very popular meme coin right now, but it's had a massive, massive run up. I know people are treating this like Dogecoin last year. That's what I want they to understand. Like, people may think it, but Dogecoin's first run up last year wasn't at this market cap that it's currently at. Now, this one is almost close to Dogecoin, so this is one you want to watch and be careful with, in my opinion, given that thought process in. I got back in way, way early, so I'm still up on this play regardless. But I'm just giving you perspective of what's going on overall in the crypto market, just in case you're in crypto.com and VVS Finance and you getting a little shaky, you know, or you just like, oh, you don't know. But understand that it's a long-term play for me. Even if you get crypto.com right now, CRO coin, understand this. The more you can get for a cheaper price, the better. And then you can still farm it and get VVS Finance. And if you look at VVS Finance, let me go to VVS Finance for you. You will see that it hasn't been as volatile as a lot of these other plays have been as of lately. Now, I'm not saying that it can't get that way, but the price has been it's been staying in that 0.00011 range, between that 0.00014 range. Now, could it go lower? Yes, but like I said, a lot of people are still earning on this. And it's, if you can get crypto.com for a lower price and stake it for VVS, I think that's a good play, in my opinion. You can even look at the farms. The percentages are giving up upwards of a 560% APR right now. So that's very, very good. That's a very, very good play to be having some passive income while crypto.com is coming down, knowing that you're buying it at a lower price, knowing that it was already at $1. And so if it was already at $1 and it's trading at 60 cents or nearly 60 cents, that's 40% off. 40% off from the highs. Now, if it can go even lower, that'd be a very good, even better dip buying opportunity. But like I said, I wouldn't be mad to add some right here, but I still do think it can go lower until it forms a level of support. It does look bearish. Even if you look at the weekly chart, you can see that this is no longer an inside bar. It has dropped down. I told you earlier in the week that I said this candle kind of concerns me. That it kind of concerns me with this large wick, because that's a lot of selling pressure. That's a lot of rejection at $1. That's a lot. So, but even if you zoom out to the monthly, you can still see the monthly is still. It's still inside, but it could take a while. It could take a while for it to come back up. I'm not gonna lie to you, depending on how it wants to play out. But it all depends on how the crypto market as a whole is looking. Crypto.com is not strong enough by itself to just disregard what's going on with Bitcoin or disregard what's going on with Ethereum. Many cryptos are not that strong. Of course, a lot of them have their days, but many are not that strong to do that. Even some of the metaverse cryptos, I know Mana's very popular right now. You can see that's coming down. Sand is popular as well. So, you just got to understand what's going on with everything as a whole, and don't just be so hyper focused on just maybe the few cryptos you have, because everybody's being affected pretty much right now. So don't worry about it. For me, I'm looking for dip buying opportunities, and crypto.com is going to give us that, and it currently is giving us that, because I know if you liked it up here at $1, why wouldn't you like it at 60 cents? If you liked it at $1, why wouldn't you like it at 50 cents? Or if it did want to go as low as about 23 cents, which I don't think it will go that low, but I don't rule anything past it, because you never know how much further. Like I said, what's low can go lower, but also what's high can go higher. But until it forms a level of consolidation, then it can go lower. Now, I would like to see it consolidate or a little bit better, go longer, and not hold a certain price level and then add into the position. But if it has just a massive drop, and then we see a lot of buying pressure come in, like a nice massive wick of buying pressure, then that might be a good sign to buy as well. But understand that I'm still long on the play. I'm still liking the yield farming for VVS Finance. VVS Finance is still holding this price pretty well in comparison to a lot of cryptocurrencies right now. We're still earning income passively on it. So the lower the crypto.com goes, the more VVS Finance you can earn on. So it's kind of a win-win-win. I've been saying it all together. And even if you're not in VVS Finance or crypto.com, and even if you're in other cryptocurrencies, I would definitely pay attention to the market as a whole and look for opportunities to add on positions that you actually like. Because That's how you make a lot of money in this crypto space, buying low, selling high. And that's what we strive to do. That's what we're looking to do over here. And hopefully we can get even more. But like I said, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Until next time, Densky out.